All right, this is a little trick for those of you using the JZ T30 spotlight on your M3T. So you know what a pain it is to put this thing on, and you set it on, you got to roll this forward, you got to get your little fingers in there, your big fingers, try to do it, and then you got to try to get that back off, or do that while your fingers are cold. And so, cool trick, and you don't even have to flip the light up, is I poked a hole over here for my new tool. I just got a pencil, not really a number 2, but it's the size of a number 2, it's round. And you use the eraser end, and then you just spin it in until you feel some resistance, just like that. And then what I do is sometimes I'll just give them a little squeeze just to make sure they're good. And every once in a while you might want to replace this so that your eraser is nice and tight. But just the same, it's on there nice and good, or nice and tight. And then you're just going to take this and spin it right back off. The eraser, actually, when you're tightening it, works kind of like torque limiting, so you don't over tighten them. And then just stick that back in and spin it off until they pull out. Just like that. And you got it off. So super easy trick. I learned this a few months ago, and I just now applied it to my box, and it's super handy. So hope y'all enjoy that.